Hey everyone, and welcome. In this video we are going to be talking about how to dispute personal info or information on Experian. So let's just get going on. So first of all, you're going to be heading over to Experian dispute, and you can see we have multiple options showing up in here. We can sign in, start a new dispute online, experience mailing. So you can use different type of platforms to start a dispute, whether it is a personal one, right, which is the scenario in our case. And yeah, so what we're going to do is first of all head over to the sign in option, because if you do not have your account signed in already, make sure to do that. And then we are going to be heading over to start a new dispute online. We have this online service now, so nothing to worry about. It's pretty easy. And let me just refresh this so we can get to the disputing section. And if you cannot access it, you can head over to your experience mailing. So that is going to be providing you the this type of interface. And you can see it is asking that how would you like to begin. So you can start a new dispute online, and in fact for a personal one, and that is going to be helping you to start a dispute for personal information. And once you do that, you can start resolving your issues from that phase. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and see you guys in the next video.